Hi, I'm Ronald, and today we will be coloring children's coloring book using crayons. I bought this a couple months back from a Lazada sale, which was supposed to be a gift for someone, but I wasn't able to give it to because of Miss Rona, so I have decided to use it instead and thought this might be a fun YouTube content. Now, there are a lot of artists here on YouTube doing this sort of challenge, so I'm not sure who to give credit to. I've seen ADC Art Attack do this as well as Jazza and thought this is a fun content, so might as well give my own take. I was just bored one Friday night after work and after doing some reports, then I decided to color this whole book. I didn't finish this in one sitting though, but if I had to combine how many hours it took me to finish this one, probably 1.5 hour, 2 hours tops. So enough of the talking, I'll just leave you with the rest of the time lapse. Hope you enjoy. And here's the final colored version of the coloring book. If you've noticed, I didn't actually block the whole images with the color space on the reference photos. Why, might you ask? It's because I'm no longer in kindergarten, so I don't have to follow any teacher's instructions to color with one stroke and within the lines, and to follow every single color from the reference pictures. Not kidding aside. What I usually do when coloring this kind of illustration, I leave some negative spaces near the edges of the illustration and use shadings to have that 3D-ish effect. I didn't know how therapeutic this is until I did this. And I guess that's it for today. Feel free to comment on any future art challenges that you would want me to do. And also leave a comment, like, subscribe, share if not done already. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.